The 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. This is a pickup truck powered by a 6-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This 4-wheel drive pickup truck gets up to 19 miles per gallon. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.